In today's video, I will show you how you can earn $14 in exactly under 5 minutes by using a simple strategy. But before that, just a friendly reminder about the huge giveaway on this channel. You can win a MacBook Pro, an iPhone XR, a PS5, or $1,000. All you have to do is leave a like, comment the keyword hidden in the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and remember to watch the entire video. Doing this won't just help you make more money online, but also ridiculously spike your chances of winning this giveaway. Now that you know that and you've already liked the video, let's begin. Now in today's video, I will show you exactly how you can earn $14 per 2 minutes by simply using a tool and then using copy-paste. This strategy is completely free and beginner friendly, so if you are someone who is just starting out without any prior experience or without any money to invest in, this might be the best way for you to earn money. So all you need is a device. It can be a laptop, a desktop, or even a mobile to make this work for you. Now make sure you watch the whole video and don't skip any parts, as I will be providing you with some extra tips that will help you maximize your profit without leaving any money behind. If that sounds cool to you, then I am the executive, and for more such free and easy online money making videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss another update from this channel. Now without any delay, let's get into it. Now today, I will be showing you the 3 different websites that will pay you $7 to $14 every 2 minutes and a tool that you will need so you won't have to do any hard work. But before that, take a look at this. This right here is the payment I received via PayPal for following this strategy. Now the results may vary and you can earn less or even more than what I did, but don't worry, as I will be guiding you through all the different steps and also provide you with a few simple tips that will help you make even more money, so make sure you watch the whole video. So this is the tool that you will be needing. This tool is called Google Translate, and it will basically do all the hard work for you so that you don't have to put any effort at all. Using this tool, you will be making money doing something called transcribing, meaning that whenever someone sends you an audio or video file, you will have to type whatever you hear, and all of this work will be done by Google Translator. To show you how this works, all you have to do is first head over to Google Translator and click on this microphone button right here. If your computer does not have a microphone, then you can simply use your phone, and you will let your computer or mobile phone, whatever works for you, to listen to the audio or video file. What Google Translator will do is that it will type out all the words being said in the audio or video. Now there are legit big companies out there that will pay you for doing this, and you will have to do no hard work, and yet you will get paid. Also, these companies will pay you double or sometimes triple the money for transcribing a foreign language. So if you know languages like Spanish or Russian or French, or basically any language other than English, the companies will double or triple your pay. Now don't worry, you won't have to speak these languages or even understand them, as you can simply use Google Translator to get that money. So suppose a website is paying you $8 per minute to transcribe in Spanish, and you don't even speak the language. You can use Google Translator and it will transcribe everything from the audio word for you, and you can go ahead and copy that text and submit it to the company. Now the first website that will pay you for transcription is this one called rev.com. This is the site that many businesses out there spend thousands of dollars on to get their transcription, and you, my friend, can be on the other end of that and make thousands of dollars by taking those transcription projects. This website has the quickest turnaround time, and they have many big corporations like CBS, Visa, PBS, and over 170,000 businesses as their customers, which is a lot and really cool. Now, if you take a look here, they charge $1.25 per minute for audio and video transcription and $3 to $7 per minute for foreign subtitles. So you can see that this website charges more for the transcription of foreign languages, which means they will pay you more for transcribing any language that's not English. But you don't have to worry, as Google Translate will take care of that, and you can earn $3 to $7 per minute. So what I want you to do is scroll down and click on freelancers. It will take you to a page that looks like this. Here they have listed all their payment rates. They have also provided with different rates for different jobs. So a basic transcriptionist will earn between 30 cents and $1 per minute. A captioner can make between 50 cents to $1.10 per minute. And if you know a foreign language, then you can earn between $1.50 to $3 per minute. So to make the most money in this scenario, I will suggest you select transcribing a foreign language. Again, don't worry, as you won't have to know the language or even learn the language, as Google Translator will take care of the rest. You can create your own flexible work schedule, which means you can take as many projects as you like. And since you will be using Google Translate, you can finish those projects in an instant and then get started with the next one in no time. This way, you will earn more from this website. You will receive weekly payouts for the projects that you have completed via PayPal, so you can sign up as a normal transcriber by clicking on Learn More under Transcriptionist and entering your details, or you can sign up as a foreign language transcriber by clicking on Learn More in the Know a Foreign Language box and filling out some details. This website has also been featured in some top media outlets like Forbes, Business Insider, The Huffington Post, and many more, so you know that this website is legit and you can get started right away. The second website that I will talk about is Transcribe Me, which you will find at transcribeme.com. This also is one of the top paying sites out there, so you can get started with the previous website, do some projects there, then head over here to carry out some more projects. Here to diversify your experience. So you can get started on this website, click on the jobs, then you can see that they have given their payment rate, so they actually pay you $15 to $22 per project. The average earnings made using this website is $250 per month, but the top monthly income is $2,200 per month, which is really great. And since you will be using Google Translate, you can select as many projects as you want, and you can even make $2,200 per month. So click on Get Started, fill in some details, select the language you want to transcribe in. You can select all the languages if you want, and sign up. As you can see, you need no experience or upfront investment, and they have flexible working hours as well. They also have a payment plan where they pay you regularly through PayPal, so you can keep track of your payments as well. So using this website, you can literally earn a lot by doing foreign transcription, and since most of your work will be done by Google Translate, you will be able to do more projects and earn more money. The third highest paying website that you can use to make even more money than the previous one is this one called SpeakRight, which you can find at speakright.com. Click on Typist Hiring. After that, you will arrive on this page and you will see that you can earn $450 average monthly income, and you can go as high as $3,400 using this website, which is an amazing side income right there, and you can use those extra $3,000 to go on a vacation, buy a gift, or invest it somewhere. So this site pays by far the most, and again, do foreign transcriptions so you can earn even more using Google Translator. So now you have a total of 3 accounts from 3 different websites that you can use to make extra money on the side. And since Google Translator is doing all the work for you, you can keep on doing more projects and earn a serious amount of cash. Now, if you want to know how you can earn hundreds of dollars by simply watching videos, I am linking this video right here. Make sure you give it a watch. Tell me in the comments below, what will you do with the extra income you earn from this strategy? Also, did you find the hidden keyword? If yes, then enter that in the comments and follow the given steps so you can win that giveaway. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and that's it for today.